Hey, what is up, guys? Joshua Leon here, the new guy mobile, and today I've got some new Bluetooth earbuds that you might want. They're cheap. No, they are cheap. They're budget earbuds. Wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They are the Mega Bluetooth wireless earbuds from Iworld. These are cheap. I got them for $10, and we'll see if you want a pair of these. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want a pair of these, and they're cheap. Alright, let's do this. I've got the Mega Bluetooth wireless earbuds from Iworld. Let's check them out. Let me unboxing these things. We have a charging cord, basic Androids. Got some extra buds, last but not least, they feel really they actually feel really durable, like really good quality. There they are. So yeah, these are it. These are the Mega Bluetooth wireless earbuds from Iworld, and they fit pretty good. Only thing is, I noticed that they don't have that great of range as far as coming away from your device, but I mean, if you're always going to have your phone on you, then it's okay. And opposed to leaving your phone sitting with them still on, I think their range is 33 feet from the device. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, we have the volume up and down buttons, also the power and play button right in the center, and right here behind this little flap we have the charging port. And I think these things they stay charged for about, you probably have about 5 hours of use in total out of these things. At least that's what I got. I don't like them as well as I like the X1T Bluetooth earbuds, but these are awesome. Do you want a pair of these? Maybe. It depends on whether or not you feel like you need something other than your traditional headphones, earbuds. But you know what? I like using them for just normal everyday use. They're fine. They don't get as loud as some of the truly wireless earbuds that are just the bud themselves. But you know, it is what it is. $10, you know, it is what it is for $10. Anyway, if you like these things, if you think you want a pair, I mean, it's $10, and if you break them, $10 is not that bad to replace. So if you want them, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, why don't you hit the subscribe button? And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and peace out.
And don't forget, in the description below is a link to Amazon.com where you can find the Mega wireless Bluetooth earbuds from Iworld if you want to purchase a pair. As well as my favorite earbuds, the X1T Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Thanks.
Hey, what is up guys? Joshua Leon here, the new guy on mobile. And today